So today on Crypto Scam Watch, we're going to be looking at Scammy wallet software. And this is really important because your wallet is the most important part of you being able to hold crypto, period. So we're going to have a look at some examples of some different scams that have been out in the wild. We're going to have a look at some things to look for to help you spot a scam, as well as look at some simple practices to help you keep your wallet secure. So Scammy wallet software has been something that has targeted every single platform, every single wallet provider, and we'll just look at a couple here today. So we can see that, for example, with Ledger, so even if you've got a hardware wallet, there was some malware a while ago, earlier on in the year, that was basically putting out a fake version of Ledger Live that would replace the local application and encourage you to enter your 24-word seed into your desktop and immediately send that to a scammer. The same thing has targeted Trezor, where someone has created a fake wallet that's meant to look like Trezor's wallet and have it throw this error message that says, "Warning, Trezor data damage, do not detect your device." And surprise, surprise, it prompts the user to enter their 24-word seed. Another example is Electrum, and this is a particularly nasty one in that when you go to send a transaction, if you're using an out-of-date version of Electrum, it can actually throw this error message that has all this sort of HTML and stuff attached to it, which is basically prompting you to download a fake version of Electrum that will steal all your funds. And someone posted just last week on the Australian crypto group on Facebook that they'd lost about $100,000 this way. So this one is particularly harmful and can even trick people who've been in the space for a long time. We can also see that there's lots of scammy mobile wallets. So there's a fake Trezor wallet that was available on the Google Play Store for a little while there. This Bitcoin Core BTC wallet was on the Google Play Store for a little while, and we could see it was trying to basically be a bit of a lookalike to the official Bitcoin wallet. So what to look for? So one of the key things to look for, particularly with those who have hardware wallets, is when the wallet asks you to enter your 24-word seed. And pretty much for any reason. You should never really need to enter your 24-word seed into a wallet ever, especially if you have a hardware wallet. So another thing to look for is wallets that are new, so only a couple of months old, or only have a few reviews. So we can see this fake wallet on the Android store only had 5 reviews and 1,000 downloads. And if we look at it in some more detail, we can see that it was only released on the 12th of June. So it was like barely a month old when I took this screenshot. Whereas if we look at the official wallet, it's got, 20,000 reviews, over 1 million downloads, and was released years ago. The other key thing to look for is wallets that direct you to download your updates from somewhere other than the official source of that tool. So we can see here with this one that targets Electrum, it is directing people to this website, which is electrumversion.com rather than electrum.org. And likewise, one of the attacks that was targeting Ledger was prompting users to download an update to Ledger Live from somewhere other than the official source. So how to stay safe? You need to be really selective about the wallets that you use. And I would say that means avoiding new ones. You don't want to be the guinea pig testing a brand new crypto wallet unless it is fully open source and you have the competence and the ability to audit the source code yourself. Another really big thing you can do to stay safe is to get yourself a hardware wallet. If you don't have one, I've got links to get them in the description. Hardware wallets also have a display on them that allows you to see and verify transactions, addresses, and amounts on the device itself. So even if your computer is full of malware while you're sending a transaction, you can still double check on the screen of your hardware wallet to make sure the right amount of funds is going to the right person. Another simple way to stay safe is to only download your wallets and their updates from the official website. So for Electrum, that's electrum.org, and for Ledger and Trezor, that is their official websites. Don't download them from anywhere else. Don't just follow the links that people would send you to download an update on Reddit, through Facebook, anything like that. Take the time to bookmark the official website and only download your wallet software and updates from there. Another thing that you can learn to do, and I'll cover this in a future video, is to take the time to learn how to verify download signatures. All of these scammy versions of Electrum that are floating around out there would be completely useless if everyone actually bothered to verify their download signatures. The last way to stay safe is not to be in a rush. It sounds really simple, but I've seen many times online where people will be in such a rush to get their money off an exchange because they've been made to think that's a really unsafe place to keep it, that they'll set up the first wallet they can find, transfer their funds to that, only to discover later that their wallet was insecure, wasn't incorrectly set up or something like that. So folks, take the time to understand how your wallet works, to find one that's secure, and look, that might mean even ordering a hardware wallet and just waiting a week or two for it to arrive. But do not be in a rush. There's nothing wrong with leaving your funds on Coinbase if you don't know anywhere better to store them. So what can you do if you spot a scam? Well, you can report the website hosting it to something like Google Safe Browsing, or if you're on a mobile device, report it to your Play Store, iTunes Store, or anything else like that. So folks, remember that your crypto wallet is probably the single most important choice you make in terms of how safe your cryptos stay. So best of luck, and I guess the most important thing to remember in all of this is with crypto, well, you're not locked into the particular wallet you start with. You can easily and cheaply move your funds from wallet to wallet. So if you have a look and decide that your current wallet isn't meeting your needs, that perhaps you're wanting to move from a software wallet onto a hardware wallet, it is easy to do that. And so you don't need to freak out that you've made the wrong decision at the beginning and that you're then stuck with that forever. Thanks for watching. I hope that was helpful. Just hit subscribe if you'd like to be kept in the loop about future content I make to help people stay safe in the crypto space and to recover if they get into trouble. Or if there's a question you'd like some more information about or a topic you'd like me to cover in the future, just leave a reply.